This is going to be the second video of the Ruby by Odin project. You can find the first video up in the corner in the description, but this is a video about variables. So let's get into it. Variables are the way to assign data. Like any other programming language, variables are the way to assign data in your program, right? So let's say we can do age equals 18, like this has done right here, right? So this is how we declare a variable, like just no data type or anything, just name of the variable and value with equal sign, right? That's the assignment operator. We can also assign to expressions, right? So like say age equals age plus 1, birthday, happy birthday. Okay, so age was 16 and then we added 1, now age should be 17. Yeah, it's returning 17. Awesome. Now we can reassign like we did here. Okay, so we can reassign the values in Ruby to age, and we can do with age also, right? So we can write on the right hand side, we can write any expression, right? Okay, so also we can use the shorthand, right? So we can do something like 4 and it should add 17 plus 4, 21, and same way we should be able to do this, and it should be 20, and same way we should be able to multiply and divide as well, 40. Okay, awesome. Okay, yeah, so we can do that. Okay, how to name variables. Ruby is a language that aims to be natural to read and easy to write. Remember this when you're remember this when you're naming your variables, right? The name should be as clear as possible. Okay, describe what the values right? So you know, in general programming, don't name your variables like I, J, K, L, A, B, C, like that. Okay, just don't. That's not good. You know, if the other programmer is reading your code, he should be able to understand by the variable names, like what this will store, right? Naming variables clearly will pay dividend when you review your code months. Like if you review your code after months as well, okay, months after you have written it, when you can no longer remember what the variables are designed to store. From now on, when naming your variables, remember the following quote by John Watts: always code as if the person who ends up maintaining your code will be a violent psychopath who knows where you live. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, keep this in mind. The most basic thing you can do to write clean maintainable code is to name your variables properly. So get into this habit to avoid psychopath, right? So yeah, just don't name like a string like that. Okay, just use good names like name, surname, nickname, first name. That's all. Okay, variables are references. Okay, so you know reference. So reference basically are the pointers, right? So variables point to some memory, right? That's what the information you name with variable is stored in memory on your computer. So variables is effectively a reference or a pointer to that address in the memory. That's how. Okay, this is important to know it as it can be sometimes the cause of unexpected behavior from a code. Let's look at the example. Okay, so desired location is pointing to Barcelona, a string. Okay, and John's location is desired location. Okay, now if we do John's location dot upcase, desired location also becomes upcase because this both are pointing to the same object. Please remember this doesn't happen with any language, but in Ruby everything is an object and every variable is a reference. Okay, so whether it is literal like string, it will be pointing to the same thing in memory, right? So if we do something like age equals 18, and we can say John's age equals age, and then we increment age, then what will happen to John's age? It will remain same. What? Okay, I got it. Okay, maybe it happens to only strings. maybe. Let's see. Age equals wait, name equals, let's say, India. Okay, country name, COUNTRY, country name equals India. Okay, and Arpan's country equals country name. Okay, I got it, why that happened. Okay, now we can say country name dot uppercase. Okay, and let's check Arpan's country. What is Arpan's country? It is indeed, yeah, right. But if we change country name to something like, I don't know, Europe, that's China. Okay, yeah, China. Arpan's country remains India. So what happened here, I reassigned the value age. Okay, I did not change, modified the value, I reassigned it, right? And that's what we did here. So that's why Arpan's age doesn't change, but since we use some method over here, the Arpan's country also got that change, right? So that's what it was. Okay, here's assignment something, or okay, we need to check the variables, global variables, class variable. I hope we do this over other video. This was really short video. I just wanted to continue the series. All right, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up or something. The drill, how to support the channel, right? So yeah, do support me, and I'll see you in the next one.